to my channel. I'm Jen from Flip Family, and today I'm going to share how to use leftover chicken in a Filipino recipe. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So I like to use leftover rotisserie chicken from Costco for this dish, and it's called sisig. So sisig is a citrus soy-based type dish. Typically you use pork, like pork belly, to get the crispy skin, and usually it's on a sizzling plate. But I'm not fancy like that, so I'm using leftover chicken, and I'm using this sauce from the Syrup shop, which is located in the Bay Area in California, and it's called their Super Sisig cooking sauce. Basically, all you need for this delicious sisig recipe, and it consists of everything you need. So if you want to order this, you could just check out the Syrup shop and you can get this delivered to you. But if you don't have it, then you can just use what I just mentioned. So soy sauce, calamansi, garlic, and some sugar. Okay, now I'm gonna share how easy it is to make this oh so delicious dish. Okay, so you're gonna take your leftover rotisserie chicken and just cut it all up. And you know what? I'm just gonna use my hands because that's easier. So I'm just gonna get all the meat from the bones and every little crevice in this chicken because I'm gonna use all this leftovers. Then all you're gonna do is chop it up and dice it. So you just want it chopped up in little cubes like so. You can keep it big, but I like it diced up because it gets a little crispy when you pan fry it. So yeah, you can also use your hands if you want to. It doesn't matter. So just chop it up into little pieces. Next, you're gonna get your garlic and just saute it first in a hot pan. And you're just gonna mix it because you do not want to burn your garlic. Then I have diced up onions and I'm gonna saute it with my garlic. And just keep mixing until the garlic and the onions are translucent. Once the onions and garlic are translucent, then you're gonna just add your chopped up chicken into this mix. So you're gonna mix everything together. And you're not really cooking anything, so you're just mixing everything together so it gets all of the flavors together. And that's basically it in terms of your cooking, and I'm saying it in quotes. So I'm just mixing it basically. And then once everything has been combined, you can get your sisig sauce. And I'm going to share how it looks like. So your Super Sisig cooking sauce. I'm just going to use that and just squirt it in. That's all you have to do. Just squirt in that sauce. That's probably a tablespoon, a little over a tablespoon of the sauce. So if you do not have this sauce, you can basically just use soy sauce, calamansi, which is a Filipino citrus. So if you don't have that, you can use lemon or lime, garlic, and then a little bit of sugar. And that's basically it. You're just gonna add that if you do not have this sauce. So I'm gonna just mix everything together, and this is your easy sisig dish. That is it. I'm amazed how fast you can cook this. So this has got to be one of our top dishes we use when we meal prep. We keep this on rotation because it's so easy, and you can use any leftover protein or just use like chicken. Just cook the chicken and chop it up. Use pork, chop it up, and just put that sauce in the pan, and you're good to go. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get more easy recipes, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!